phía đây score interjection á anh đang cứ chip PA kia tử ok chẳng ngày nay dân mà score P interjection đó khi tha đang cứ chip PA bằng hành bẹp nè dân học từ lựa adjective lựa adverb bị môn màu chẳng việc này khơi tơ vang đi bà tay tam potter pra bầu với cứ sửa tỉ interjection nó cứ chip PA muối đại dương ta là mấy bằng hành be feeling an interjection is a word used to express emotion พอเราไม่บังคับปีรำจังรำแบบนี้ก็ยังไอไปเจงสำเร็จมาแบบดังฮอยไปมินชอนเมนเทนจุปัว interjection นั่งมันแทนกับพิซซ่าเกเต้พิซซ่าแม่บอกยังก็มินตัวครูไหนเบอร์สันจิพิซซ่าบอกยังไอแทนบังคับปีรำเหียบอ้าวหรือก็อารมณ์เราไปเดี๋ยวยังจุบไอมุ้ยอารมณ์แบบเพลียมมองอันนั้นคือการแทน interjection จัง express emotional จังยังมือมือเตี้ยแต่เตาจมูกหนังอุตห่อที่ชอบมินใบเปียตามปัดมินชอนน่ะจังก็จะมิน homework กันอย่างนี้คือที่มันแทน wow there's a big bite wow that's a big bite จังเป็นเคยไอ้มวยมีหาทงพลายไงcái lực ở cái giấy màu wow nó thọc khơi chờ này chẳng biết nó cứ chỉ interjection okay so about emotionแบบนี้ surprise okay wow that's a big bite okay and មួយទៀតគឺថា oh no I forgot my wallet oh no I forgot my wallet អត់ទេខ្ញុំភ្លេចកាបូបខ្ញុំហីឧទាហរណ៍ថាញ៉ាំអីហើយចឹងទៅស្រាប់តែដល់អត់ឃើញកាបូបទេចឹងយើងមិនភ្ញាក់ផ្អើលត្រូវអត់មានអារម្មណ៍ថាមិនចឹង yes រៀងconfused ដែរចឹង feeling like confused យើងអាចប្រើពាក្យ oh no I forgot my wallet okay and មួយចុងក្រោយ yeah we are going to the sea yeah we are going to the sea ដូចថាយើងទៅជ្រោឬក៏ហូរចឹងណាយើងបានទៅសមុទ្រទេឧទាហរណ៍យើងកម្រងច្រើនហើយអត់បានទៅស្រាប់សាននឹងបានទៅចឹង express អារម្មណ៍បែប happy enjoy ចឹងយើងអាចប្រើ yeah នឹងបានចឹងយើងដឹងថាមានច្រើនណាឥឡូវសាក comment ពាក្យទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងមើលពាក្យដែលជា interjection ដែលយើងស្គាល់ឲ្យ teacher បានឃើញ and that's all bye